Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the difference between structures and union available in the C programming language. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic. The structure and the union available in the C program. What are the difference? What are the comparison between? First we will see the definition of what is meant by structure and what is meant by union. So the structure is a constructed data type for packing different type of data that are logically related. So the structure is nothing but collection of the different type of data that may be logically related. We know that same type of data mean array. Array is the collection of same type of data. Structure means collection of different type of data logically related. It may be student detail or data, employee detail like that. Now we'll see the definition, defining the structure. What is the definition of the structure? Structures are defined first and then it is used for declaring the structure variable. The general format of the structure is struct. This is the keyword for a structure. Then tag name. Tag name is given. Then data types. Different data types are given. Open the brace, close the brace, and then semicolon. Right? So this is the structure of the definition of the structure. Keyword, structure, structure name, different data types. Now we'll see what is the union. Union in C is a special data type available in C that allows storing different data types in same memory location. In earlier structure, if you declare 5 variables inside the structure, 5 different memory location will be allocated according to the data type. But here only one memory space will be allocated. That is, it is used for memory management. Right? Same memory location is allocated. You can define a union with many members, but only one member can contain a value at a given time. So for example, if we have 5 variables, if we give the values one by one, they will be overwritten. If we give the first value, it will be stored in memory. While giving second value, the first value will be overwritten, second value will be stored in the same location. So which one we are giving at the last, that value only available. So only one member can be contain the value at the given time. Union provides an efficient way of using same memory location for multiple purpose. Now we'll see the comparison. So the first one, structure allocate storage space for all its members separately. So we already discussed, if 5 variables are, mean 5 different location will be allocated. Union allocate one common storage space for all the members. Which one is the highest memory needed, that size will be allocated. That is for common for all the data types. Here allocated separately, here only one space is allocated. Structure occupies higher memory space because it is allocated separately, more space is occupied. Union occupies lower memory space over the structure. While compared to structure, it will allocate only the lower amount of memory space. Then the point 3. We can access all members of structure at a time. So the different memory location is allocated. So which one we need, we can access the member. It is stored in different memory location. Here we can access only one member of union at a time, right? So once the data is stored, if you store another data, that will be overwritten. So the last stored data only available. So the earlier stored data is not available, but here located different location, so we can access at any time. But last stored data only we can access in the union, right? We'll see the example. Structure struct, that is the keyword student. Open the brace, declare the variable integer mark, character name 6 characters, double average, close the brace, and semicolon. So we have 3 variables: mark integer type, name character type with 6 characters, average with double type. Here example union, this is the keyword. Union is the keyword. Union name is student, same thing. Here also same member is declared, integer mark, character name, double average. Close the brace and semicolon. Now we'll see how the memory spaces are allocated. That is the important thing here, how the memory is managed. For structure, memory allocation will be like below. Integer mark, it will allocate 2 bytes. Character name, 6 is there, so 6 bytes it will allocate. Double average, double data type, so that it will allocate 8 bytes. For integer mark, 2 bytes. Character name, 6 is there, so 6 bytes. Double average, 8 bytes. So the total allocation is 2 plus 6 plus 8, 16 bytes. 16 bytes are allocated. Separate space is allocated. For above union, only bytes of memory will be allocated, since double data type will occupy maximum space of the memory over other data types. So we'll comparing here, if you want to store the double data, we need 8 bytes. So among 3 data type, which one having the highest memory, that location, that memory will be allocated. Total memory allocated only 8 bytes. So if you want to store the integer mark, only 2 bytes are needed. In this 8 byte, the 2 byte will be stored. Integer data will be stored in 2 byte itself. If you want to store the name, only 6 bytes are needed. So out of 8 byte, we can store the name in 6 byte. Remaining 2 byte will be free only. If you want to store the double, we can use 8 bytes. But only one data will be available. Either name or mark or the double average will be available. All 3 data will not be available. Which one we stored at the last, that only access. But here we can access all 3 data individually, separately, because separate memory location is allocated, right? So the advantage is here 16 bytes are needed. Here only 8 bytes are needed. Memory is managed, but we can access only one data type, that is stored at the last. Here we can access all the data separately or individually at any time. So in this video we discussed the difference between union and structure available in the C programming language. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.